Minasan konnichiwa, Manishi to moshimasu. Hi everyone, this is Manishi and welcome back to the channel. Nihongo challenge no dai 3 をしたいと思います. So today we will be looking at chapter 3 of Nihongo challenge. So 今日のテーマは数です. So today's topic is related to numbers. So we have already done one video on numbers from 1 to 10 where we did the kanji. You can get the link in the description box. So let's see what are the kanjis that we are going to look at today. Ja. So first kanji is of hyaku, 100. Now before writing it, let's have a look at the kanji. So if you can see, this is oyayubi or thumb as we call it. And in the olden times, this thumb used to indicate 100. In Chinese, basically, the kanji, as you know, has come from Chinese. So in that culture, this thumb was indicated as 100. And you can actually look at the shape is somewhat like hyaku. So now the readings are hyaku, byaku, pyaku. 3, as you know, if you have already done numbers, you will know that the readings change when we, for example, for byaku, we have sambyaku. And for pyaku, we will be having roppyaku or happyaku. Now let's start writing it down. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku. Ja, mo ichido. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku. If you see, 6. So the stroke count is roku, 6. Now first word is hyaku. Of course, it's for 100. And if you see, this is san and hyaku ki kanji with it, and it becomes sambyaku. Then now we put roku ki kanji and hyaku ki kanji with this one, and it becomes roppyaku. And then the next one is the kanji for Hyakkajiten, encyclopedia. So this kanji for, I think, hyaku you have in N5. For ka and jiten, I don't think it's for N5, it should be for N4. Hai, ja, tsugi ni ikimashou. Before that, let me show you how this kanji looks when you draw it bigger. So you can have a look. This is how the kanji will look. So if you see, the first stroke, this way, ichi, this way, ja, ni, and then san, and then you go from here till here, yon, and you cannot close the box till the time you draw all the lines in between. So this becomes 5th, and then you just close it and it is 6th. This is how you make it. Ja, tsugi ni ikimashou. Hai. Tsugi wa sen wa 1000 desu ne. 1000 no kanji desu. This looks like chi of katakana, but it's not. There is difference. Before that, let's have a look at the picture help which they have given. So, takusan no heitai o matometa e, which means a picture which is bound of soldiers, many soldiers, or 1,000 of soldiers. So this is what it looks like somehow. Now, and also if you have better mnemonics or better pictures to understand this kanji, you can always share the link, or you can always recommend to other students in the comment section. Now let's read the readings. What are the readings? Of course, it's chi, which is 1, and sen and zen. Zen, I think you, again, if you've done numbers, you'll know san zen. It's not san sen, but san zen this ne. And chi. So chi, as I already mentioned, it looks like chi, and the reading is also chi. So that's a plus point for you to remember this kanji, the reading of this kanji. So let's try to write this one. Ichi, ni, san. Ja, mo ichido. Ichi, ni, san. Now let's try to read the words. The first word is sen, where we just see this kanji. So there's only this kanji and it will be sen. Now I put kanji of ni in front of this and it becomes ni sen. If you can see, if I put ni sen. Now if I put san ki kanji we already did in the last video. We've done from 1 to 10. So it became san zen. As you already know, the kanji, the reading for this kanji will become zen with san. And then we have Chibaken. So in Chibaken is a place in Japan. So Chibaken, the chi of Chibaken is same as sen. I think the ba and ken again are not for you. It's not in N4. It's not in N5. It should be in N4. Okay. Now I'll just show you how it looks in a bigger picture. So this is how it looks, if you can see. Again, I'll show you from top to down. Ichi. Then this line, not this line, but this one. Ni. And then you come down. San. Okay. So now we are done with the second kanji. Now we'll move to the third one. Now third kanji is for man, which is 10,000. And again, if you've done numbers, you'll know that this kanji is again used a lot. So let's have a look. Man and ban. Ban is also the reading. Not just man, but also ban. And if you see, so it says that it's a picture of waterweed floating on the water. And usually they are numerous, which is basically 10,000. So they are more in number, like more than sen and hyaku. So you can try to remember it that way. Let's try to write it first. It does look like ka, but it's not ka of hiragana and katakana. But let's have a look at it. Ja, ichi, ni. So this stroke will be ni and san. This has to be brush off, or you can say sweep, as you call it. Mo ikkai kakimashou. Ichi, ni, san. So just take care of hook. This is a hook, sweep off, all these things. Now let's have a look at the words. Man. Again, if I just write this kanji, it is man. Then ichiman. Ichiman is again, if you count ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So it again becomes 10,000. Now, Bangkoku. Bangkoku. Koku, again, it has come from the kanji of kuni, country. Bangkoku is all nations. All nations. And then you have the word for fountain pen, which is man and hitsu. Man you just did. Nen is definitely going to come in your N5. And hitsu is the basically this kanji is for the pen, fude. But I think it's not there for you in N5. However, rest of the kanjis are still there. I'll just show you how it looks like in the bigger picture. So this is how it is going to look. You can have a look again this way, ichi. Then this, ni. There's a hook, and then you have a stroke off or a sweep, a brush off. San. So just take care of these. So here we conclude our today's numbers, today's session, and thank you so much minasan for watching the video. And I hope you like the video, and if you do, then please share this with your friends as well, and do let me know if my kanji videos are helping you. Thanks a lot.